Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get started with ActualBudget, a simple open source budgeting tool. ActualBudget works in your browser and you can host it a few different ways. The quickest just make it work option is using PikaPods, which spins up a hosted server for you. Click on the PikaPods option and it'll take you to the setup page. If you don't have an account, register and verify your email, then log in. Now, click Add Pod, give it any name, pick a region close to you, and make sure storage is set to something non-zero. You don't need to max out resources for this. Once it finishes, click Open Pod. This opens your ActualBudget URL. If you ever need it later, it's the domain link in your pod details. For a first-time setup, create a server password. Save it somewhere safe, because this password cannot be recovered. After you sign in, you can start fresh, import an existing budget file, or load demo data. For most people, start with Start Fresh. Go to Accounts and add an account like checking, and then add a starting balance. After that, you can add transactions manually and categorize them so they roll into your budget. Now go to Budgets. This is where you set amounts for categories like groceries, bills, and savings. If you want to speed it up, you can copy last month later once you've got your category set. And if you want visuals, check reports for things like spending trends and cash flows. Schedules are optional, but helpful for recurring stuff like rent, subscriptions, or even paychecks. If you don't want to use PikaPods, you can also use the desktop app from the download page. That's a good option if you prefer local first, and you could still set up syncing later if you need it. That's it. Now you're all set up with ActualBudget and ready to start tracking. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next Howard's How To's tutorial or review video.